This is the Philippines, home to many great and small creatures alike. Although there are animals that have succumbed to the changing environment, those are reduced in population. The Philippine eagle, the tamaraw, the Visayan water pig, the crab-eating macaw, and the dugong. They are the endangered. Although, how do these creatures adapt to survive in their forever changing environment? To know this, we'll be asking questions to leading academics, clever nuts, and experts from around the globe, starting with Psychophaga Jafare, the Philippine eagle.
So how does the Philippine eagle differentiate itself from other eagles?
Well, the Philippine eagle is one of the world's largest, most powerful birds of prey, having the harpy eagle to rival its size and bulkiness.
So how does it adapt to changes in its environment?
Philippine eagles inhabit tropical rainforests and are well adapted to life in dense foliage. Despite their great size, they have short, broad wings and a squared-off tail that allows them to almost vertically between trees and maneuver with speed and agility through branches and vines to catch prey easier.
To move on with a bigger animal from the mammal class, the cousin of a national animal, the tamaraw.
What makes the tamaraw so unique?
Tamaraws are distinguished from related buffalo by their smaller stature and straight horns. These characteristics, among others, led taxonomists to categorize this animal as unique species and not a subspecies of Asiatic water buffalo. Total height at the shoulder is 106 cm.
So how did they adapt to the island?
Tamaraw inhabit areas with mixed forests and grassland. The species is endemic to the Philippine island of Mindoro, where they are currently found in Mount Iglit-Baco National Park, around Mount Aruyan, Sablayan, and in the Mountain Calavite Tamaraw Reserve.
From bird to mammal and another mammal, native to the Visayan region, the symbol of gluttony, the Visayan water pig.
What causes the warty pig to become extinct?
Warty pigs are one of the most endangered wild pig species. They survive in only 5% of their original range in the wild. They live in small population of 2 Philippine islands. Threats include habitat destruction, population fragmentation, and hunting.
How have they adapted in their environment?
Their long mobilities, like snots, help them root around in the soil for their favorite foods, which include fruit, mushroom, and yams.
Much like yourself, this primate, in its name, very much likes crabs. Unless you have an allergy, the crab-eating macaw.
Any characteristics of the crab-eating macaw that stands out from other primates?
In contrast to reason, the macaw are called long-tailed or crab-eating. Macaw is obvious they carry the longest tail of all macaw species, and they frequently search for food in the underwater and also include crustaceans in their diet.
So how do they adapt in terms of travel?
Crab-eating macaw are quadrupedal and diurnal species highly adapted from swimming and climbing trees with tails used to balance when leaping between trees.
We've tackled the land, the air, and now for last, a mammal in water, the dugong.
Are dugongs native in the Philippines?
The dugong is the only herbivorous marine mammal found in the Philippines. It used to be distributed throughout the archipelago, but due to their habitat being very close to the shore, where seagrass, their main diet, are found, they are constantly subjected to multiple human activities that now threatens their survival.
And how do they adapt to their feeding habitat?
Dugongs are again herbivorous bottom feeders consuming nitrogen-rich seagrasses such as the water hyacinth and eelgrass. The dugong's lower lip and palate have rough pads to grab vegetation, which is then uprooted with the muscular upper lips. Dugong live pale, feeding trails through the seagrass beds in which they graze.
As humans, it is our humanity is what separates us from animals, and it is those animals are what makes us human. Take care of them, and please stop destroying their habitats. It sucks. Thanks for watching.